Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, hopefully, I'm trying to do a little different view today when I'm filming my videos to see if it comes out a little better so you can see more of what's going on, and trying to fix that looking up because I really don't like that when I do my videos. I want you guys to be able to see everything, and I'm just going to get started. This is just going to be a little unboxing. I haven't shown you guys my June Ipsy bag, and I went to Sephora yesterday, and I bought a few items, and I was kind of surprised, well, a little bit surprised how much I spent. I'm going to tell you guys this, just so you know, I actually spent like $242, and my husband was there, I was there buying him a gift for his birthday, which isn't till next week, but I like to spoil him a little bit. So what I did is I got my little Sephora bag, and there's not a lot of items in it, but I figured I wanted to splurge. I'm on vacation all this week, so that's what I'm going to do. The first thing I'm going to show you is my Ipsy bag. I think this is one of my favorites. It's really soft. It's like that tie-dye look, and I thought this was really cute. The little zipper actually has a little, see if you guys can see it. I think that's wicked cute. It's a little smiley face. And one of the items is kind of, didn't really fit in this. They had it out to the side in the box. But I can't wait to try these. And I think if I do, I might do a short video on it. I don't know. It depends, because this would be very short. But I could sit and talk to you for 20 minutes. So I'm thinking you guys can guess what I'm talking about, and that's masks. This is called Bubble Tea Bath and Body, and there's two different masks that came in my Ipsy bag, and I can't wait to try them. The pink one is Berries Bubble Tea Sheet Mask, and the next one is Jasmine Bubble Tea Sheet Mask. I just thought this was really cute. I don't tend to use masks a lot, but I want to try starting to use them, because on the times I have done them, it makes your skin feel really nice. And we're going to just unzip this little bag. And it gives you instructions too, if you go to their website, on how to use the products and everything. These things are all minis, which is not a big deal. The mask was a full-size product. The first item I have is called Wonder Mile High Club Length and Define Mascara. Isn't this thing so cute? I think with these little minis, these would be great to take on vacation if you're going somewhere. My vacation in the week of June is I just stay home. We do day trips. We go out to eat, and we just relax. Especially now that after my vacation, as I said in my previous video, I got to go back to New Bedford, which is a 45-minute ride. I've worked there before. I've been there for 11 years, and I just went into Taunton, which is a 20-minute ride, just to help out. And I love the Taunton Mech. I'd rather go back there, but unfortunately, there's no position right now, so that's okay. But I do not look forward to that 45-minute ride to and from work. I just, what are you going to do? Anyway, this is a mascara. Ooh, look at that. That's a nice, I would say that's a full-size brush. And I believe the color is just black. I'm not sure. I usually get very black, but it really doesn't say on the tube. But that's okay, because it's when you do your little survey before you sign up. The next item is called Plush Tint Moisturizing Matte Lip Tint. Yeah, I can't talk for crap right now, only because I get dehydrated, guys, and unfortunately it affects, like, my mouth gets really dry. So, and this is called, it's from Benefit, and it's called Cream Puff. And that's the shade right there. I think that shade will look pretty nice. I don't want to try it right now because I really don't have any makeup on today. I'm sure I'm going to do some makeup tutorials this week while I'm on vacation. I might even do something for the 4th of July, like a red, white, and blue. I think I did that last year, so I got to think about how I want to do it. But anyway, and then the next item is J.Lo Beauty that J-Lo Glow Serum. Oh, okay. Sorry for the face. I didn't even know J-Lo had skincare, to be honest. And this is just a serum. It's a little sample, which is, okay, I'm going to put a little bit in my hand that's like that. I don't know how well it works because I've never tried it. So I'm just going to rub it into my hand. Well, it doesn't feel bad. It doesn't feel greasy or anything. It's just a nice feeling on your skin. All right. We'll put that back in the little bag. I tend to keep my little products in the bag. And the next thing is Girl Lactic. Let me see. Apply the fruit superfood scrub on your face in light upward and outward circles to clean or damp skin. Leave on 3 to 5 minutes. Oh, I love masks. And even, this is a mini. I'm sure you could get like maybe 3 or 4 uses out of it, depending how much you put on your face. Masks are always good. I would recommend maybe twice a week, maybe, or more, depending on your skin conditions and everything. And I think it's just a nice way to have self-care, which I think is really important. You really got to take care of yourself. Now, for the fun part, anyway, for me, this is the little Sephora bag that I got. And it's just paper, but I think it's cute. I love the black and white stripes on it. I did take this, splurge was so expensive, is because I actually bought a perfume. I don't know if anyone's ever tried this. I was just at the store and I was just checking things out, and it's called Dylan Purple by Versace. I don't usually buy expensive colognes. I haven't bought myself a really nice perfume in a long time. And of course I gotta spritz some on my wrists. Oh my God, this stuff smells so good. It almost has like a fruity smell. Not like a strong fruity smell, but it's really nice, and I love the packaging on it. It's absolutely gorgeous. I don't usually spend a lot on perfumes, but when I saw this and I smelled it, it just smells so good. Now this is the 1 ounce size, and it was $75. So this is, I'm probably gonna just use it for, I might wear it all the time, or maybe just special occasions. But I haven't bought myself a really nice fragrance in a very long time, so I figured I'd splurge a little bit. And this stuff's one item I was kind of bummed. I mean, I could bring it back to the store, but I honestly don't feel like it. And I'll show you that in a minute. It's an eyeshadow palette that kind of caught my eye, and I'm gonna definitely create some looks with it to show you guys. This is the next item is Too Faced Lip Injection Maximum Plump. Now, I tried this last night. I'm going to try it now. I believe this will be under your lipstick. You could probably use it alone, but it says extra strength, instant and long-term lip plumper. So according to the packaging, it's supposed to add plumpness to your lips, and with continued use, I think it's going to continue to give you that. You'll continue to have that nice plump look. And I did try it last night. I'm not sure, honestly, if I like it. This is the applicator, and just to let you guys know, when I put this on, I expected to feel that really tingle, but this stuff almost has like a slight burning sensation. I don't know if it's supposed to do that. Maybe it has something to do with how it plumps your lips, but I'm going to put some on right now, and it does like very strong reaction. And it looks like it adds a little touch of color. And it kind of has a fruity smell. It does have a fragrance, but it's almost like a touch of an alcohol smell. I don't know if I'm going to like this or not, but I figured I'd try it. I've been dying to try it. And I chose the lightest shade. It's kind of like a pink. It's not like a bright pink. You know what I mean, guys? It's a light touch of pink. It's not really doing anything right now. I don't know what it was last night. It was a real burning sensation, and it doesn't happen right away. I'm starting to feel that little tingle. It's totally up to you guys if you want to try it. If you've ever tried it, let me know what you think. because I've never heard of anybody trying this. This is the first time I've gotten it. It's not really burning right now like it did last night, so I'm not sure. I think the longer it's on your lips, then it starts to have that burning sensation. We'll see if it works. Now, the next item I got, and I didn't realize what the product was. I thought it was going to be a clear product. It's called Glow Recipe, and I've been dying to try this because it's a Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Hue Drops. Ultimate Glow Brightening. It's a tinted serum, which I've never ever tried, and I should have read this better. I didn't realize how tinted it was going to be. They had another item that I got that I was thinking about getting. I'm thinking it was more of a clear fragrance. And this, the lip plumper, I'm sorry guys, I'm rambling, was $33. I'm just giving you guys a heads up so that you don't go and, I don't usually spend a lot, but now that I just want to try new products, and sometimes it doesn't hurt to splurge on yourself. But like I said, you don't have to buy high-end makeup. I'm just showing you guys because I love makeup. And the lip plumper was $33. Okay, the next item we have, I got my receipt here. This is actually $35, which isn't bad. So the most expensive thing I bought in my Sephora haul was the perfume. And it's called Glow Recipe, and this is Sun Glow. I didn't realize they had different shades of this. And I guess it says you can use it with your foundation. This is the applicator, and I don't know about you guys, but the color's pretty, but I don't know, this applicator is a little wonky. It doesn't look like a brush, so I'm not sure exactly how it works, because that does not look like a brush to me. So I'm just gonna dab a little bit on my hand. So it's supposed to be tinted, and the only reason I'm putting a little bit because I don't know how it's gonna look or blend in. Ooh, so it blends right into the skin, and I don't know if you guys can see that. You can see a little bit of a shimmer. Not much, which is okay. I'm glad it's not as dark as the product that's in here that it shows, because I don't want my skin tone looking this shade. But it feels really nice on the skin, and it blends in, so it doesn't blend in like the shade you see in here, which is good because I don't want it to. And I've been wanting to try the Glow Recipe. I love watermelon. I love the scent of watermelon, so I'm kind of excited. Now that I've had this lip plumper on my lips for a couple minutes, I can feel the tingles really start, and I can feel that little tiny burning sensation. And I think the longer you have it on, the more it starts to tingle. So hopefully it'll plump up my lips, because my lips aren't bad, but I want that nice plump look. All right, then the next palette I got is Pretty Grunge from Hudabeauty. I can't even talk. And this really caught my eye. I just saw the picture outside in the display. And when I got in the car, I was getting this black stuff on my hands. I'm like thinking, where the hell did this come from? Well, apparently, I don't know if it's because I banged it. As you can see here, the shade Renegade, right here, it broke. And I don't know if it could have happened when I got in the car and opened it. I don't know. I mean, I could bring it back, but I really kind of don't want to do that. It's very pigmented. When you touch this black, it's got everywhere because some of it fell out. But this is the palette. I've gone through a couple of my palettes that I've had for a long time, and I threw them out. This shade down here is actually Grunge. It looks like a creamy eyeshadow. And I'm just going to keep going across the bottom here. Freedom. And then you got Rebel. And you got Maverick. You guys know I love my shimmers. This is a real chunky glitter, so I really recommend a eye primer or like a glitter glue. And then you got Love, Anarchy, Hope. And then this shade is Fearless, Haphazard, Nirvana, Strong is AF. We all know what that means, so I don't have to say it. And we got Stand Up and Rise Up. The next shade across the top is Beauty Chaos, Brave, Renegade, Avant-Garde, Heroine, and Liberty. I absolutely love the names of these products. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. I think with this palette, you know, that's the grunge look. It's wearing lots of black and stuff like this, but I think this palette would be awesome to create some goth looks. Not everybody is into the goth look, but if that's what you like. It also has some really bold colors. It has this mix right here. I can't wait to try that one. And it also has light shades. So you can just create a look just with the light shades. And you can also create just a look with the darker shades. And I'm kind of looking forward to it because I think a grunge look or like a goth look will be a lot of fun. I kind of like the goth clothing and stuff like that, the skulls and everything. I think it'll be awesome. And even though I'm 61, I think that's the look I might start gearing to. I love the goth look. I love the black colors and everything. And I think this would be really fun to try this palette and create some really nice goth looks and grunge looks. And I can't wait to use it. And I'll definitely do I'll do a few videos on this if I can. And try to create different looks to show you how these palettes, you can create different looks with them. And this just caught my eye. And I'm like, maybe my look will change a little bit. I do like the goth look, the grunge look, which means I'd have to do a lot of clothes shopping. But we'll see. I'm just talking, rambling on, guys. And I just want to say welcome to all the new subscribers I've gotten. I really appreciate the follow. And that's it for this little review. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.